Hi, I'm Dave with Autozone. Let's talk about how to check and top off your oil. Cars need oil because they are filled with moving parts, and it needs lubrication to work properly. Having the right oil and right oil level will not only help your car run better, but it will extend the life of your engine. How to check your oil. Step 1. Make sure your car is off. Step 2. Check at the right temperature. Make sure the engine is cool. Step 3. Pull the dipstick and clean. Step 4. Reinsert dipstick. Remove dipstick again, and note how much is coated with oil. How to top off your oil. Step 1. Remove the cap to the oil tank. Step 2. Carefully start adding oil, preferably using a funnel. Step 3. After each quart, give the oil a moment to settle. It's vital that you don't overfill your engine. Step 4. Reinsert dipstick. Remove dipstick again, and note how much is coated with oil. Step 5. Screw cap back into place. You should check your levels every 3 to 4 fill-ups, or every 1,000 miles. Or check your engine's oil once a month. And for more helpful tips, be sure to like and subscribe.